boy with TVs, man. Y'all know what it is, man. Today, we about to do a Lincoln. The year is between 1998 and 2000. We doing a front brakes today. So, I don't have my GoPro today, so I don't got a stand. I'm using my iPhone today. So, make sure y'all like and subscribe. Make sure y'all watch the whole video, cause we need to get them watch times hours, man. So make sure y'all tap in. Yeah, like past. I'm not gonna say a past few days. It been a past week. We was in an ice storm and the whole city shut down. So now that's over. Car shows started to open up, so y'all will have some content with the car show scene. You might have some content for the car club scene too. So make sure y'all tap in, man. So like and subscribe, smash that subscribe button. I'm changing the brakes, man. Make sure y'all stay tuned. You got the sequence, the brake. Already took the tire on. 14, this is what you need. I'ma cut y'all back on. I can press the brake. About to put the new one on. That's why I got the brake. See, it's bad. Make sure y'all tap in. So I took the tire off. Let me turn y'all on. Oh, it's 2 volts. 1, 2. Press this, take the brake off. That's it. So y'all tap in. Cause I already did the other side. So let me cut y'all back on, cause I don't got my GoPro with it. I'll put the new brakes on. I'm about to tighten the bolts on, then press the brake inside. Should be good. Description with all the tools where I bought my